Q9836, pilots and/or flight crew members involved in near-midair collision, NMAC. Occurrences are urged to report each incident immediately. A. By cell phone to the nearest Flight Standards District Office, as this is an emergency. B. To local law enforcement. C. By radio or telephone to the nearest FAATC facility or FSS. The correct answer is C. Pilots and/or flight crew members involved in near-midair collision, NMAC. Occurrences are urged to report each incident by radio or telephone to the nearest FAA, Federal Aviation Administration, Air Traffic Control, ATC, facility or flight service station, FSS. This allows for immediate communication with the appropriate authorities responsible for air traffic control and aviation safety. Reporting NMAC incidents promptly helps facilitate the investigation and analysis of the event, leading to improved safety measures and prevention of similar incidents in the future. 9836-1. What information is de-identified when a report is submitted through the Aviation Safety Reporting System, ASRS? A. Crew identity information when criminal offenses have occurred. B. Crew identity information involving time-sensitive data. C. Crew identity information when prompt NTSB reporting is required. The correct answer is B. When a report is submitted through the Aviation Safety Reporting System, ASRS, the crew identity information involving time-sensitive data is de-identified. The ASRS is a voluntary reporting system that allows pilots, air traffic controllers, and other aviation personnel to report safety-related incidents and occurrences without fear of regulatory or disciplinary actions. De-identifying the crew identity information helps protect the anonymity of individuals involved in the report, encouraging open reporting and the sharing of valuable safety information without the fear of personal repercussions. 8053. What aircraft operating under 14 CFR Part 135 are required to have a third gyroscopic bank-in pitch indicator installed? A. All airplanes that are turbojet-powered. B. All multi-engine airplanes that require a two-pilot light crew. C. All turbine-powered aircraft having a passenger seating capacity of 30 seats or more. The correct answer is A. All aircraft propelled by turbojets must include a third gyroscopic pitch-in-bank indication. 8054. In airplanes where a third gyroscopic bank-in-pitch indicator is required, that instrument must A. Continue reliable operation for at least 30 minutes after the output of the airplane's electrical generating system falls below an optimum level. B. Be operable by a selector switch which may be actuated from either pilot station. C. Continue reliable operation for a minimum of 30 minutes after total failure of the electrical generating system. The correct answer is C. All aircraft propelled by turbojets must include a third gyroscopic pitch-in-bank indication. This indication must be able to function reliably for at least 30 minutes after the electrical producing system of the aircraft fails. 8069. In which airplanes is a Class A TOS required? A. All airplanes having a passenger seating configuration, excluding any pilot seat, of 10 seats or more. B. Turbine-powered airplanes having a passenger seating configuration, excluding any pilot seat, of 10 seats or more. C. Turbine-powered aircraft having a passenger seating configuration, including any pilot seat, of 10 seats or more. The correct answer is B. In order to operate a turbine-powered aircraft with a passenger seating configuration of 10 seats or more, excluding any pilot seats, the aircraft must be fitted with a terrain awareness system, TAWS.